Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about stock market, product types, MIS, CNC and normal. Lot of people are getting confusion while placing order. Even I got emails from so many people for clarification. So I thought of doing this video for you guys. Before placing an order, you must have to check the product type. Instead of placing CNC, if you place in MIS, all the shares what you are going to purchase going to be squared off at 3:15 p.m. So you have to be very careful while trading and placing orders. Let's go ahead and start. What is MIS? Margin intraday square. If an order is placed under MIS, it will get squared off automatically at 3:15 p.m. MIS is only applicable towards cash and futures products. MIS gives intraday margin benefits. If you take an example, you want to buy 1000 shares of a company A which are trading at 50 rupees per share. The total value of the transaction is 50,000. If you use full cash position, however, you can buy the same stock through our intraday product. MIS where the margin required is 10%, thus the total amount required for the transaction would be 10% of 50,000. It is 5,000 rupees. There are some brokers, they give more than 10% exposure. Exposure means if you invest in demat account 5,000 rupees, they are going to give 10 times extra, 15 times extra. If you get 10 times extra, then it will be 50,000 rupees. My sincere advice as a trader, please don't use exposure. If there is any situation needs to be used exposure, so you please try to use 2 to 3%, not more than that. Before using exposure, you must have to keep in mind, if you lose 1 or 2% also, the amount whatever you have lost, they are going to take out, they are going to collect from your principal amount. What's your actual amount? From the actual amount only they are going to collect. Even though 3% is not big amount for 50,000, but 5,000 it will go good money. So try to control yourself, don't use exposure. If at all your order is in MIS, you can convert that order into CNC. Otherwise, system is going to send that order for sale at 3:15. Automatically it will get sold. Even though if you are in losses or profits, you try to exit from the market before 3:10. Now we will see what is CNC. CNC means cash and carry. If an order is placed under cash and carry, we will require full margin. This is only applicable for cash equity products. Positions are held overnight. In simple words, if you take an example, you intend to buy a shares worth of 10,000, then you should have the entire amount of 10,000 in your trading account. Similarly, if you wish to sell 100 shares, all those 100 shares should be available in your Demat account. But in MIS, even though you don't have shares, you can sell it. But in CNC, you should have that shares, otherwise you cannot sell. This is the best option for the people who wanted to go for long term and safe investors who wanted to trade intraday. Even they can place their orders in CNC. Some people, they will think that we have to place intraday orders only in MIS. Nothing like that. We can place in CNC. We can sell the same day. Even though if you place CNC also, you will get same brokerage charges will be applicable. So my advice is to play your orders with CNC type. This will helpful you to decrease your greediness. Of course, the profits also will decrease, the losses also will be decreased. The last one is normal. Carry forward your positions. If an order is placed under normal, we will require full margin. This is only applicable for futures and options. Positions are not squared off automatically. We can carry forward all the positions by placing the order through normal. We can place this order only for following products like futures and options. If you are buying a future, you no need to pay full amount. If you want to know the futures margin, you can Google it. You will get these links from Zerodha. Just you can type futures margin required in Google. You will get all the details. We have lot of videos in my channel, all technical videos. I am getting a lot of emails from the people who watched my videos and who learned stock market and who started earning a little bit money. I wanted to thank everyone who is following technical strategies. My sincere advice for you guys is don't follow any tricks. In stock market, there is no shortcuts. You must have to follow technical analysis, so that only you will get very good returns. You can subscribe my channel. We have lot of technical videos. I am going to create a lot of technical videos in future also. You can keep in touch. If you need any help, if you feel anywhere difficulty to understand the technical terminologies, you can mail me at any point of time. My email ID is ramanjul.techhelp@gmail.com. You can mail me at any point of time. I will revert back as soon as possible with answers. Try to follow only technical things, and if you are a fresher, watch all my videos. You will get very good idea on stock market. Simply don't go ahead and invest your money. Okay, don't burn your fingers. It is very difficult to recover the money once you lose money. Thank you all once again for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. I will be in touch with you guys. Thank you so much.